to delete a Snapchat story. So if you want to delete a Snapchat story that you have saved, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section of Snapchat from where you'll be able to take various Snapchat photos or videos. So the first step, tap over your profile at the left upper corner, and here you'll be easily able to see my story. So if you tap over the story, you'll be able to see the 3.8 vertical line at the right upper corner. Simply tap over there and three options will be available. Tap over the delete and once again go for delete. And by doing that, after a few seconds you can see the snap or the story has been deleted. So this is how you can delete a Snapchat story. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.